Question number 1. Which of the following statements regarding splicing in eukaryotes is correct? Several reactions in splicing process involve hydrolysis of ATP is the correct. Exons are spliced out and introns are retained in the matured mRNA transcripts. No. Splicing takes place in cytosol. No. Small nuclear RNA are retained in the mature RNA transcript. No. Correct answer is option A. Question number 2. Which of the following is not involved in the post-transcription processing of tRNA? Base modulation, attachment of CCA arm, splicing, attachment of poly A tail. Correct answer is option D. Attachment of poly A tail is not involved in the post-transcriptional processing of tRNA. Question number 3. Which of the following is incorrect statement about mRNA? Cap is added to the 5' end is the correct statement. Introns are removed, exons are spliced together is not correct statement. Histone mRNA lack 5' cap. Poly A tail is added to the 3' end. So correct answer is option B is the incorrect statement about mRNA. Question number 4. Which is the first nucleic acid synthesizing enzyme discovered? Polynucleotide phosphorylase, DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, DNA ligase. Correct answer is option A. Polynucleotide phosphorylase is the first nucleic acid synthesizing enzyme discovered. Question number 5. 70S prokaryotic ribosome is the complex of 30S plus 50S, 30S plus 40S, 20S plus 60S, 20S plus 30S. Correct answer is option A, 30S plus 50S. Question number 6. 80S eukaryotic ribosome is the complex of 60S and 40S, 40S and 20S, 60S plus 50S, 30S and 20S. Correct answer is option A, 60S and 40S. Question number 7. What is the main function of tRNA? Proofreading? No. Inhibit protein synthesis? No. Identifies amino acid and transport them to the ribosome is the correct answer, and none of the maintain. Option number C is the correct. Is the main function of tRNA. Question number 8. Which one of the following best describe the cap modification of eukaryotic mRNA? Modified guanine nucleotide added to the 3' end of the transcript. Modified guanine nucleotide added to the 5' end of the transcript. String of adenine nucleotides added to the 3' end of the transcript. String of adenine nucleotide added to the 5' end of the transcript. Correct answer is option B. Modified guanine nucleotides added to the 5' of the transcript. Question number 9. The largest class of introns which are found in nuclear mRNA primary transcript is spliceosomal intron, group 1 intron, group 2 intron, group 4 intron. Correct answer is option A, spliceosomal intron. Question number 10. Which type of splicing reaction require a guanine nucleoside or nucleotide cofactor that is not used as a source of energy? Correct answer is option B, group 1. Question number 11. The process of modification of pre-mRNA is known as replication, DNA repair, translation, RNA processing. Correct answer is option D, RNA processing. Question number 12. Which of the following is not the step of mRNA processing? 5' capping? Yes, is the step. Splicing of introns? Yes. Polyadenylation, RNA slicing is not a step of mRNA processing. Question number 30. Which of the following form 5' cap? 5 days to 5 days PP linkage, 5 to 3 days PPP linkage, 3 to 3 PPP linkage, 3 to 5 NPP linkage. Correct answer is option A. 5 days to 5 PPP linkage. Question number 40. Choose the incorrect statement about 5 days gap. Recognized by the transport protein, correct. Provide stability to RNA, correct. Participate in the translation initiation, correct. Increase the lifespan of RNA is not the correct. About 5 days gap. Answer is option D. Question number 50. Which of the following group of introns forms stable lariat structure? Group 1 intron, Group 2 intron, nuclear intron, Group 3 intron. Correct answer is option B, Group 2 intron. Question number 60. Name the type of intron which needs spliceosome to be spliced. Correct answer is option C, nuclear intron. Question number 17. Name the term where a single pre-mRNA is processed into number of products. Alternate splicing, polyadenylation, capping, intron removal. Correct answer is option A, alternate splicing. Following RNAs are used for RNA processing except one. Mark that. RNSP, snRNP, RNSE, RNSG. Answer is snRNP. Question number 90. Which form of structure has been adopted by RNA? A form, B form, Z form, D form. Correct answer is option A form. Question number 20. Name the RNA molecules which is used to carry genetic information copied from DNA. tRNA, mRNA, rRNA, snRNA. Correct answer is option B, mRNA.